All right, so this is a rolling tool bag, a mechanic's bag, if you will. And this is Veto's version, the guy that they tell you not to worry about. So this, to me, is pretty compact. And even though I'm not gonna be using it daily, there's not gonna be a lot of heavy wear for me on it. Like, I really like these styles for a mechanic's bag, right? So if I have a flat tire, my car breaks down. I recently bought a new truck, so I don't have to deal with that for a little while. But my previous vehicle, I was trying it on the road a few times, and it's always good to have some sockets, some basic tools, because you never know what you're gonna need to fix. And a bag like this can kind of accommodate sockets, wrenches, anything that you would need to do under the hood, and you can basically add to it whatever you want. So I also have this rigged out for basic handyman work or refrigeration work. If I'm in the truck and I just happen to, I need to stop somewhere to check something for a customer or take a look at something, or a family member has their AC not working or their refrigerator stopped working, like I can kind of go to this tool bag for a few different situations. So this is not half of it, but this is the loadout that I have. Sockets are going to be separate right here. You can do it however you want. So I typically, just because I want to clear the space under the seat, I have this set up with this next to it, and then I can kind of it's underneath the back seat, the back bench. You raise it, lower it, and you have storage back there in my vehicle. So here we have the TRLC. So this is all Velcro. What I like is that each of these has some long strips of Velcro on there so that you can position them anywhere. Because on this main piece, you have strips that run all the way down the length of the bag. So no matter how you want to put this, how close you want to put them, how far you want to put them, they're going to stick and roll up easily. So you have these here, and then you have this one I can add to it here. And if I wanted to use the whole thing together, I mean, it gets pretty big, but it's still like a little book bag. It's not that much bigger, but you can roll it out. You can also hang it up with the hook that they have here. If you need to work on your vehicle, you can take whichever one you need. So this first one here, and you can customize this as you please. If you guys want to buy more of a certain bag, you totally can. This is the WRLC right here. And if we open that up, wrenches, little slots and stuff, I need to go buy another set because I'm missing a few. And I can build it out there. But so if you just need your wrenches, you can grab this piece. They all have their own clips, their own zippered pouch in the front, and their own little handle there. So this other one is the SRLC, and in this one we can open it up and we have our socket sets, extensions, and all your individual sockets can go on the side. So I think that's pretty neat. I like how these flaps kind of cover everything. These in the middle are stretchy, so whatever you guys can fit in there. Like I said, I just have a socket set in there, extensions and whatnot. And then this can be, like I said, its own thing. It has that zipper pouch again with the handle on it, and you just clip it closed, and it's like you have mini roll-up tool bags in this big rolling tool bag. And then these are the individual packs. You can also get these separate. So they are somewhat see-through. You can kind of see some sockets in there. And they are also triangular shaped so that when it closes, it has the best, like it can, fit as you roll it up over the other two. So in this one, I'm just gonna have, some extra pieces for spark plugs and different adapters and a little Allen key set there. This other one, these three are all the same. This other one has hand tools and pliers, screwdrivers. That must have been metric. This is standard Allen key set, and extension bits, wire strippers, just extra tools that I could possibly need if I'm out and I don't want to, you know, come back home to get tools. You also have, or I also have this last one where I have basically stubby gauges in there. So these are, you know, these are LA Tech, these are backup gauges. So they're in here. I might take them out because I ended up putting, I think, another LA Tech manifold in my truck that fits under the seat. So I might take these out and figure out what else I can put in here. But for now, it's like a little handyman HVAC type of setup with some stuff to work on the car. And then this piece here, like I said, you got strips all the way down. You also have another, well, you have a zippered pouch on this one too. I just keep a Malco bit in there, but you can put, like, I don't know, tape or other things in there. I haven't finished loading it out. And then it does have its own zippered pouch internally here. And in this one, I just have a knife and a stick meter. So I've tried a few of these from Amazon. They just, you know, they're kind of like non-contact, but they can also tell you AC and DC voltage. Again, just basic things that I would do if I'm out checking outlets, doing some handyman stuff, or somebody says, hey, my AC is not working. Okay, let me do a quick check before I go and get, you know, the van and the actual tools, any equipment, stuff like that. Let me just do a check really quick. So you can organize this however you please, just by snapping everything back into place. These are also designed, if you have the zipper facing up, obviously, to be opened and worked out of. So like if you have it hanging up, it is actually meant to be worked out of without, you know, taking it off the back piece right here. And you can hang it up, work out of it, and then close it up when you're done. And not have to worry about that. That bottom pouch also, you can have it open. You can have all these open. It's just, you know, super modular, super, I think, well thought out. Like I said, these being that triangle shape so that they fold a lot easier, that you can see that they kind of, you know, go into place right there. These are detachable to where, you know, you need your wrenches, you can lay them out on the hood or under the hood and work out of it there, or whatever you need to. And then that is the how I have it, with just the sockets separate. I use the sockets a lot, so it's easier for me just to have this separate to where I can take this, do what I need to, change out some things, like small parts is usually what I do with that. Like I said, spark plugs or sensors, you know, stuff like that that I've done on my own car. I can mostly take this and do some stuff with it. Or if I need a few more tools, then I can grab this one. Or if I'm doing something completely different, like I said, doing a call on the way home from being out doing errands, I can do that with this bag. And then I have the shoulder strap on it to carry it around. So that is the TRLC by Veto Pro Pack. If you guys, I don't know, do any mechanic work, or you like hanging up the rolling tool bag and kind of working out of it that way, it's really good. Like I said, for doing some car work, some work in the garage, you want to hang it up somewhere and kind of work out of it that way. It's a cool little bag. I've always tried to keep a tool bag on the truck, and I had, you know, a while back switched over to a rolling tool bag, a much smaller version, and it did okay. And then, you know, this came out and I was like, okay, that's kind of cool. You carry a lot of wrenches, sockets, and you know, torque bits, Allen keys, etc. But I still had a box, like an automobile roadside kit that I had to have in the car, because it came with other little things, and I didn't you know, have the space in other tool bags to put them in. So now I have this that has so many compartments. So hopefully that helps you out if you guys were interested in this. I think it's a cool little bag. Like I said, it stays in my truck, and I've been stranded enough times to know what tools that I need. So this carries most of them. I'm gonna start buying some more tools to kind of fill in all the empty space in here, and just go from there. You never know when you get a flat car, sensors break down, your engine, something goes on with your engine. That's where I think this kind of bag can come in play. But if you guys have any other suggestions or like uses for it, cool, leave them in the comments maybe, what you would use this for. And like I said, hopefully this helped you, gave you a little overview and insight to the rolling tool bag by Veto Pro Pack. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. See you guys.